Here is a table and a graph that show the number of coffee shops worldwide that a company had in its first 10 years, between 1987 and 1997. The growth in the number of stores was roughly exponential. Find the average rate of change between 1987 and 1990, between 1987 and 1993, and between 1987 and 1997. Remember, the average rate of change is the slope between 2 points. Show your reasoning. It's not easy to read exact values from the graph, so let's use the values from the table to find the slope. Between 1987 and 1990, there was an average of 22 1/3 stores added per year during the first 3 years. Between 1987 and 1993, there was an average of 42.5 stores added per year during the first 6 years. Between 1987 and 1997, there was an average of 139.5 stores added per year during the first 10 years. What do these average rates tell us about how the company was growing during this time period? The average rate of change during the first 3 years was 22 1/3 stores per year. During the first 6 years, the average rate of change was 42.5 stores per year. During the first 10 years, the average rate of change was 139.5 stores per year. The average rate of change was increasing pretty dramatically. You can use linear relationships to see the average rate of change for any one change, but none of those rates remains consistent across a wider range. Remember, you can always use graphing technology to help you see the graph if needed.